What's up, fam? Mr. Cosmic here, and I'm just showing you a video of when I was in Curacao. As you can see, just hanging out there, enjoying the environment. Nice little hotel. It could have been better. It wasn't the best hotel, but it was okay. At least it has somewhat of a view. You
Yeah,
can
it's
see.
Curacao, baby.
Yeah. So yeah, that was the view. Smoking a stick in Curacao right there. Resort. Just kind of chilling out, hanging out. So again, like I said, guys, train, travel, and trade. I believe Curaçao's Dutch. So yeah, it was an adventure. Again, like I said, guys, I just like to share these experiences so that you guys know it's really up to you how much you really want to get out here and see the world. And I guess as they say in Curacao, douchey, huh? So it's just another example so that you can see. There's no cap. We're just out here. I've been doing this. This ain't nothing new.
Curacao. Douchey. I know y'all be saying y'all travel and stuff, you know. I know y'all be like, hey man, I be getting around and everything like that. Come on, Curacao then. You do that. Come on. It's beautiful. Look at that. Damn, that's a Starbucks right there. For real, for real. It's your boy.
That's a tattoo spot right there. Let you guys, get your passport, get out here, travel, experience some things. You don't have to live vicariously through others. You can actually go experience these things yourself. And like lately, I've just been pulling up some of these old videos, and I just realized, you know what, I could actually go through the pictures and go through the videos and do voiceovers and post them to my channel. And that way, not only do other people get to see these experiences, but you get to, in one sense, relive them, and in another sense, inspire other people. Well, I hope that inspired you guys to get out there and live some life, Mr. Cosmic, and I'll see y'all on the other side.